These are the elevators at Building 29 at the VA Pittsburgh Healthcare System Veterans in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Upper Hill. These are Eastern traction elevators, the GAL Jet Plus VP. Go up to 2. Here you go. Here at 2. This one talks, the other one doesn't. Back down to ground. 88 phone. Nice cabs. There's PA elevators. Other COP. There's a phone on both COPs, which is weird. Here back at ground.
Ground floor.
Nice and quick. Get out. Get out. There's a camera and they're watching them. The police, not security. How close that's gonna be.